I'm Kim, I'm the lettings manager for Complete Newton Abbot. I'm here on Courtney Street. I cover lettings from Exeter, Newton Abbot, Bovey Tracy, Teignmouth and Plymouth, and all areas in between. We offer a range of different landlord services from tenant fines to full management. Depending on whether you've got one property, multiple properties, we have a service tailored to any of your needs. Behind me here is the main high street for Newton Abbot. You've got the famous department store Austin's and the clock tower that's well known in Newton Abbot. Just behind me is the Golden Lion pub where you can stop and have a bite to eat and a drink. I'm in the Newton Abbot office where the lettings team is based. We've got staff covering all aspects of the business here, looking after our tenant inquiries, seeing them from application right through to move-in. We've got our dedicated maintenance coordinator who deals with all the property maintenance, and we've got our inventory and checkout clerks also based here. So there is a member of team on hand for every single aspect of lettings. Devon is a really exciting place to invest in property. Why don't you pop into branch and have a cup of tea or coffee with us?